So we're just about less than 2 weeks away from Google's big event on October 4th, where they're all set to show off the latest Pixel phones, the Pixel 8a Pro. Full marketing video, the Pixel 8 Pro has been leaked, giving us a closer look at all the amazing camera features. Google went all out and introduced some serious camera magic with the Pixel 8 Pro. And not just that, we also have real hands-on look at the Pixel 8a price leaks for both devices, and a 7-year of software update leaks has been surfaced. But first, let's talk about Google's camera features on the Pixel 8 Pro. The leaked promo video gave us the early info on what we can expect from the phone, such as a remarkable capability to swap faces within an image through the built-in editor, pro controls for the phone like DSLR-type manual, control including a new autofocus selfie camera module, full-resolution 50-megapixel capture, the next-level magic eraser and editor, real tone, night sight, astrophotography, and super res zoom. When it comes to videos, Google has spiced things up with cool stuff like Video Boost, night sight for videos for those dimly lit video moments, an audio eraser to remove unwanted background noise, and even better-looking skin tones. It's pretty clear that Google is going all out to take the photography and videography game to the next level. According to Kamila Wojcikowska, shared an image that suggests Google will bump up the price of Pixel 8 by $100 to $699 compared to its predecessor, whereas the price of Pixel 8 Pro remains the same at $899. A new report by 91 Mobiles also revealed the full specifications of the device. Both Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro are powered by Google's in-house developed Tensor G3 chipset with Titan M2 security processor. While the Pixel 8 Pro features a 6.7-inch 120Hz LTPO OLED screen, the non-Pro variant's refresh rate has been bumped up to 120Hz. However, Google has stuck to the same RAM and internal storage, with the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro coming with 8GB and 12GB RAM respectively. The Pixel 8 might come in two storage options, 128GB and 256GB, whereas the Pixel 8 Pro will be available in multiple variants with up to 512GB storage, with the US version speculated to get a 1TB storage version. The Pixel 8 is said to have the 4575 mAh battery that can fast charge at up to 27 watt, while the 8 Pros is slightly bigger at 5050 mAh and can apparently fast charge at 30 watt. Both are rumored to come with support for Sly wireless charging and IP68 ratings for dust and water resistance. Wojcikowska also claims that Google will offer up to 7 years of software support, which, if true, will be an upgrade over its 5-year security update policy. However, we will have to wait for Google's confirmation on the same. We also have hands-on images of the Pixel 8a, and there's some design makeover here. Unlike its predecessor, the Pixel 7a, the 8a flaunts some seriously rounded corners, and well, you can't miss those beefy bezels up front. Anyway, do subscribe for more content on the Pixel 8 Pro, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.